Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you how to manage your Klarna payments. Now there are 6 steps to this. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is to log into your Klarna account. So you got to go to Klarna's website, or if you have the mobile app, you can just log into your account through there. And the second step is to view your payment schedule. So you want to go to payments or order tabs, and then just view your upcoming payments, including the payment amount, the due date, and the payment method. The step 3 is to make a payment. So you want to select the payments that you want to make, and then just choose your payment method. That could be a credit card, debit card, or bank transfer, and just confirm the payment amounts and complete the payments. Now the fourth step is to update your payment methods. You want to go to the payment method tab, and then add or edit or remove payment method. You can do that with credit card, debit card, or your bank account. Now the fifth step, of course, is to adjust your payment schedule. So you can just contact Klarna's customer support to request a payment schedule adjustment. You're gonna need to provide a valid reason for this adjustment. It could be facing some financial hardship, or there's a change in circumstances or whatever. Just explain that to the customer support service, and they're gonna help you to adjust your payment schedule. Now the sixth step, of course, is to track your payments. So you want to use Klarna's tracking feature to monitor your payments. You can also receive notification when payments are due or when a payment is successful. So you gotta pay attention to that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.